Hey all, Bridget Bartley here with Visual Marketing and Design, and today I'm going to introduce you to a company that will actually pay you $5 per email that you collect for them. So stick around, you are not going to want to miss this. Okay, so I'm so excited to show you this. This is a company that's been around for a long time, and if you guys don't know anything about me, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I was in pharmacy for about 20 years, and I actually was able to quit my pharmacy career and do affiliate marketing full-time after just 7 months. So I love to create videos and kind of help people get started in affiliate marketing and hopefully save you thousands of dollars and months of time that I totally wasted myself. So before I get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you would do that, I would so appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, now on to the good stuff. Okay, so the affiliate program that I'm going to tell you about today is Constant Contact. If you don't know what Constant Contact is, they actually started out as an email marketing website or software, and it's actually very user-friendly. I've tried them all, and I would have to say that Constant Contact is probably the most user-friendly of all of the different email automation websites that you can use. However, it is a little bit more expensive because of that. I mean, you all know it's like we pay for convenience, you pay for ease. With Constant Contact, so here is my affiliate website, but you can see it doesn't actually look like an affiliate website. It's just basically you'll get like a redirect link, and then when they click on that, it goes to this main website here. So if they enter their email in here and then do start free trial, automatically gives you $5. Okay. So if they end up, you get a 60-day free trial with this. So I actually, I recommend that you do this. Not only will you help me because I'll get $5, but you do get 60 days to kind of tinker around in Constant Contact and see what you actually think. If you're new to email marketing, you may actually prefer this, and this will save you. I am not kidding when I tell you I've tried them all. I have done the trial. Most of them have a 30-day trial. This one has a 60-day, but I have done them all. And I have, you know, uploaded my list, and I've tried to redo everything and tried to, you know, see which one I like the best. And really, when I say I want to save you months and months of time, this is part of it, because you try all of these different softwares and you don't really know which one you like the best, you know, and really that varies person to person. So if you are interested in getting into email marketing and you don't know where to start, at least try Constant Contact as a trial, because then you'll kind of, it pretty much sets the bar. So you'll pretty much know from that point on what the best looks like, and then when you try other things, you can kind of compare, like, well, this is really cheap, but I like Constant Contact because it's much easier. And so time is money, so you want to choose something that's going to suit your needs the best. So as you can see up here in the features, it's email marketing. They have great templates. Everything is really drag and drop. When they say email automation, it basically means that when someone signs up, you can set up a campaign to automatically trigger and then start sending them emails that you have set up ahead of time. E-commerce, that's basically like a store, Google Ads, Facebook, and Instagram ads. So they're really expanding from what they used to be. They actually, now there's a simple website builder as well. So I wanted to show you this because if you scroll down to any of these websites, almost any website that you find, down here you'll see some information, and they actually have partner programs, which a partner program is really for large agencies. Basically, they make like partner agreements. Like if my agency wanted to partner with Constant Contact, then they would give me a special pricing structure, and then I would offer it to my clients, and then I would be able to make a commission. But most of you are, especially just starting out, you're just going to want to click on affiliates. You'll fill out an application, same process as every affiliate program, and then you will either get approved or denied. I don't know their criteria. Some companies do have, you know, a higher level of criteria, but they'll almost always have at least a referral program. Regardless of what their criteria is, there's almost always a way you can make money with referring or, you know, advertising for, however you want to do that. So just to prove to you their structure, I'll show you my affiliate page here. You can see my balance is only $5. Now, honestly, that was a test for me. I just wanted to see, you know, how it worked. I don't promote Constant Contact because I have another email autoresponder that's part of a large platform that I use, and that's what I prefer because it's all under one roof. But I just wanted to show you here that, you know, if you refer someone, usually it's $100, but in the first 75 days they'll give you an extra $5, and so you'll get $5 per email. So if you have a large email list, wherever you're at in your, you know, affiliate marketing journey, or maybe you're just, you know, investigating, this is kind of a good place to start thinking about what do you like, what are you interested in, and then seeing if they have an affiliate program. Amazon, Walmart, most websites do. I prefer to stick to digital products because that's what I do, is digital marketing. So I'm just very familiar with things. I love to share things that I have discovered that I love, or I even love to share things that I don't particularly like, but just to give my review of them. So this is how you can make money, $5 per email. What I do, my favorite affiliate, if you've seen any of my videos, you know, is Builderall. I love Builderall because it has over 25 different tools, and I use and love all of them. I'm not an expert in all of them because it's just, there's a lot to learn with each tool, but they have a really simple website builder, and Mailing Boss is the autoresponder I use. Why I like Mailing Boss over Constant Contact? One, because this is included in my subscription to Builderall, but Constant Contact is, I think it starts out at like $38, and then as your list grows, like every 5,000 subscribers, you get charged more money, and I want to say it's like $10. But so with Mailing Boss, you never get charged that. It's unlimited. Your list can grow, and you'll never get charged any more money. So it just makes sense for me to have all of my different tools and everything under one roof. And they also have a Canvas funnel builder, which if you have not gotten this far in your affiliate marketing journey, what you really need to do is create a sales funnel. And I actually have a free ebook. If you want to look in the description, there'll be a link that says free ebook, sales funnel, how to grow your business online with sales funnels, I think is what it's called. So you can click that link, and it's just a free download. It kind of goes in more detail about sales funnels, explaining what it actually is, but it's just a way to capture an email and then walk a customer through the sales process, and then, you know, you're building that trust with them and that relationship via email. So that's a really important way, and that is really the biggest way that you are going to make money online. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you found some value in this. If you want to try a free 7-day trial with Builderall, you can go to 7daysfree.builderallvision.com. I'll put the link in the description box as well. Also, I will put the link for Constant Contact if you want to try that, tinker around, see what you think. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the box below. And if you guys are struggling with something and you you just need an answer to a question, if it's anything I can help you with, please comment below as well. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel because I'm like you. I've done this for less than a year now, so I'm still learning, and that's why I love basically targeting beginners, because one, I would not consider myself an expert, but I'm far enough along to where I've learned a lot of things and I've made a lot of mistakes that I would just love to be able to help you prevent. And this is something I just incredibly enjoy. So like I said, comment below and even just introduce yourself. I would love to get to know you guys and see how we can help each other in the future. Have a great day. Bye!